Utilities face penalties and fines for prolonged outage events. Transformer failures typically lead to long-term outages. So, in addition to the lost revenue and equipment costs, system reliability also carries heavy penalties and damage to the utility's reputation. Perception Fleet ranks transformers using a risk score element that considers its level of impact on the system. Similarly ranked transformers are grouped together and then further ranked according to their potential risk. This feature helps highlight the highest risk transformers and can be used to justify decisions on investments in reliability. Transformer monitoring devices generate a significant amount of data. To analyze and interpret this data takes time and requires a high level of transformer technical knowledge to ensure critical issues are detected. Perception Fleet's risk dashboards and risk indexes help focus the utility on the assets that require attention. The algorithms analyze dissolved gas concentrations and utilize techniques such as piecewise linear approximation to determine gas level rate of change. Perception Fleet automatically performs in-depth transformer analysis, helping to ensure that critical factors are not overlooked.